Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegan mac and cheese. I'm going to need 8 ounces of some vegan cream cheese. I use the Daiya brand. You also are going to need 3 cups of some vegan shredded cheese. I chose the Daiya cheddar shreds. And you're also going to need 3 cups of some kind of nut milk. I use the unsweetened almond milk. And you're also going to need 2 cups of the elbow noodles. I just chose the organic brand, but you can use any brand that you like. So what you do is you just take all of these ingredients and you put it into your crock pot. So first I'm putting in my almond milk. Then the cream cheese, and then I'll put in the shredded cheese. The Daiya brand has 2 cups in a pack, and so I had a pack and a half, which equals to 3 cups of shredded cheese. Then I put in the elbow noodles, and I put 2 cups of that into the crock pot. And then I let it sit for 4 hours on the low setting. Now, you could probably put it on the high setting if you want to speed up your cooking process, but you'll just need to stir it more frequently. So I just put it in the crock pot for 4 hours, and I stirred it a couple of times until it was ready. So as you can see, it's a very easy recipe. It only takes a few minutes to make, and then the crock pot does the rest. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 servings depending on how large your servings are, and I hope you enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below any other recipe ideas that you would like me to try, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos. Bye guys!